Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're making a Banana Tarte Tatin. It's a simple dessert that packs a lot of wow. Brown sugar and spices are combined with bananas and rum, all baked under a puff pastry crust. Served warm with ice cream, it's fantastic. And as always, you'll find the full recipe in the description. Using a 5-inch by 1-inch ramekin, we'll cut out our puff pastry circles. And you should be able to get 4 out of 1 sheet of puff pastry. Next, we'll mix together light brown sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, ground ginger, and a pinch of salt. And just give it all a good stir. Next, we'll add soft, unsalted butter to the ramekins and spread out. Next, we'll slice our bananas, and you want to use firm but ripe bananas. And cut into 1/8 of an inch thick slices. Add the brown sugar spice mix to the ramekin, spreading out to the edges, and then add the bananas in a concentric circle overlapping just slightly, using 3/4 to 1 banana per ramekin. And repeat. Drizzle each with dark rum and top with a puff pastry round. Prick the pastry with a fork. Bake in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to rest in the dish for several minutes before inverting onto a plate. The brown sugar, butter, and rum creates a delicious little glaze, making simple delicious. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.